Minomonitor na po natin ang papasok na bagyo na nasa labas pa po ito ng Philippine Area of Responsibility pero inaasahan itong papasok sa loob ng PAR ngayong araw. Huling namataan itong si Tropical Storm na may international name na Kalmegi. Yung Kalmegi po ay seagull po, ibig niyang sabihin. At ito po ay kinontribute po ng North Korea. So ito po ay inaasahan natin papasok ng Philippine Area of Responsibility ngayong araw. Huling namataan 1,230 kilometers kailangan ng Eastern Visayas.
Pagkaayaw kami. Maklaro guys, pero
area. We can bring on peace, but you cannot kill the environment, because if you kill the environment, you kill everything. One-third of the Filipino depends on our natural resources. Sino ang nagdudusa pag winawasak yung kalikasan? Sino? Yung mahihirap. That's the fact. The rich have air cons and all like this. Who suffers if you kill the environment? It's the poor. And whose duty is it to protect our people? It's the government. And when you make decisions based on business interests, you have shirked your responsibility. You have lost the moral ascendancy to rule the government, because to you, business and money is more important than the welfare of our people. So think of that.